Amy Coney Barrett is kind of awful when it comes to reading the Constitution because she believes that there is no text that doesn't go through changes in a modern interpretation. Originalists, as far as the Supreme Court and the justice system in the United States go, they believe that the Constitution was written in the context of the Founding Fathers' Day, and goals that the Founding Fathers had in mind therefore apply to the interpretation of the Constitution. Amy Coney Barrett believes that, they didn't like, she thinks they didn't like women, and, there weren't a lot of rights for people, so that has to change, and really there's a modern interpretation because the world has changed, and so you find Amy Coney Barrett siding with the liberals more than a few times. And she sides with Kagan and Sotomayor and Jackson, dissenting against this, saying, quote, 3 weeks ago, the federal government started sending scores of Venezuelan immigrants detained in the United States to a foreign prison in El Salvador. Yeah, a prison in El Salvador would be foreign. Good job. That's 2 points for you. It did so without any due process of law. Not true. Under the auspices of the Alien Enemies Act, a 1798 law designed for times of war. Okay, boys and girls, one quick lesson here. The date on a law does not make the law more or less relevant. Unless it's talking about technology that is no longer applicable. An Alien Enemies Act is about foreign assailants in the United States operating here and their removal. You don't have to pretend that because it was written in 1798 or 1797 and then passed in 1798, you don't have to suggest, it's really old, so the undertone there as well probably supported, like, white men. Ooh. By the way, there is an older document that has a lot of bearing. It's from 1789, and it's the Constitution of the United States of America.